Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, we've got a really nice 1965 Mustang convertible here today. The quality throughout is excellent. It's a good, honest, clean car, and it's very well optioned. 289 automatic, air conditioned, power steering, power top, disc brakes, console, stereo, seat belts. The list just goes on and on. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the options and information. You can look at pictures top to bottom, and you will find a price tag on every single car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option as well, if you visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you're notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is just a nice, clean, honest car. It's an older restoration, but you can tell it's always been a good car. Underneath, the floor pans are absolutely solid. The rockers, the braces, all the seams, nice, clean metal floors that appear to be all original. I didn't find any replacement pans or splices or patches. Been maintained as needed. It's got the correct exhaust system on it. It's a single exhaust with the transverse muffler, and then the pipe comes back out. It's in good shape. It looks like the suspension and steering was all replaced. It's not brand new, but you can see the bushings and the power steering control ram, shocks. That stuff has all been replaced. It is disc brakes in front, drum in back. The e-brake system is all hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. It's the Cruise-O-Matic transmission. It's the original one. The tag is still attached to the side of it. It has its original rear end with cruising gears, the 280 gears. It also has the tag still attached to it. The gas tank looks brand new. That's really shiny. So underneath the car, very, very respectable. The body. A lot of these trophies you see here, they're from the 80s. So I think this paint job is that old, and it looks fantastic. And it fits really well. The gaps are square and flush. It's not wavy, it's not damaged, not dented. I did not find any bubbles or problem areas. All this is nice and clean. It's all metal. It fits super nice. Underneath the door, the lip that folds over is dry and clean. Door shuts like a new car. It's absolutely straight, no rust, no damage. All nice and clean. All this fits real nice. Repainted its original Colonial White color. It has a glossy finish. It's smooth to the touch. There's a little bit of texture. We call it orange peel. They could have wet sanded and buffed it a little more, but to be honest with you, it's very close to the factory finish. That's the way they were. And you'll find a little nick here or there. So the car shows really, really well. I'm not using the word perfect because there are nicks, and now I can't find one on the edge of the door here. Actually, a few of them on the edge of the door. But the paint's beautiful. There's a nick on the inside edge of the hood. All the chrome trim sparkles. Has the optional remote mirror. That looks new. The door handles look new. This looks new. Has the optional rocker molding in real nice shape. The emblems are real nice. The wiper arms are shiny. The stainless trim is straight and shiny. 289 emblem, bumpers, the grill bar, all of it's very good. The correct antenna, shiny. The hubcaps. So it was optional to get the stainless steel wire hubcaps, and it was another option to get the spinners, which this has all of it, and they're in excellent shape. Radial tires, they look new. So we got a luggage rack on the back. That's another option. The tail lights, gas cap, all that looks real nice. Has reverse lights. I think that was an option. It's a white convertible top in very good shape. It's a power top, so you just hit the switch and it goes up real nice. So, outside of the car is beautiful. Let's open it up. I'd like to show you the inside. You know, this car feels right. You just touch the key and doink, it opens up like it's supposed to. You can see it's all painted nice. The weather strip, sticker, the latch, all looks good. Inside the trunk is all nice, clean, solid, dry metal. See the metal's real nice. There's some age cracking in the paint and top of the shiny gas tank. But yeah, all nice, clean metal. Has the matching tire cover. The spare tire has never been used. The jack assembly's in that bag right there. It's a little picture frame that goes with it. This is the bag that the boot goes in. There is a crack in the trunk mat there just from age. But I think it's a very good trunk compartment. Again, I use the word honest. It's a good, honest, unabused car. It's not perfect. You'll find a nick or a little flaw, but just a sweetheart of a car. I mean, that door jamb is nice and clean. Look at the edge of the door. No rust. The weather strips are in good shape. Door panel itself is excellent. The metal trim around it, the paint's a little bit faded or chipped. Dash area is very good overall. The dash pad is not warped. The instrument bezel and knobs and lenses, heater controls, all this is real nice. The light works, the liner's real nice. It's all clean. Kick panels are clean. Interior lights work everywhere. At the console, under the dash, in the glove box. Real nice carpet with pony mats. This is what the factory air conditioning would have looked like back then. It was a separate unit from the heater. It says Ford right on it. I have the center console. The radio, real quick, I forgot to mention, it actually is a modern stereo. It's an AM/FM stereo that looks like an original. Steering wheel's real nice. Seats are upholstered nice and the cushion's real nice. Has blue seat belts front and back for everybody. I pulled the trophies out of the trunk. Most of them are from the 80s. Some are from 2013, 2015. But all the upholstery back here is in excellent shape. Just a very good car. Visors are real nice. It has the day-night mirror. That was an option. There is a senior division sticker on the windshield. Apparently this did win a Mustang senior division award, which I don't have, but that's the story. So you got the original 289. It too, buried behind these wires, has the tag on it. I always look for that tag and I never find one with the tag on it. That's probably the first one I've seen in years. And that has the codes on it telling you it's the correct motor. But anyway, the right manifolds, two-barrel carburetor, valve covers, stickers, even the snorkel, and you can't see, but it runs all the way down to the manifold. That's the heat riser tube. That's all there. That's never there. It has date-coded reproduction spark plug wires, reproduction clamps and hose. It is an upgraded aluminum radiator, but it has the right shroud. We have factory air conditioning. It has been updated with 134 Freon. It has factory power steering. It has the washer pump with the washer bag. Kind of cool. The master cylinder is upgraded to a dual reservoir, which is much safer than the single reservoir. And then in general, the engine bay is all nice, clean metal, painted nicely. Under the hood's painted nicely. The horns are hooked up. Just very, very proper. Again, not fresh like it was done yesterday, but very proper. know, and I really like the colors too. That blue interior against the white, that's very sharp looking. Has optional in the sill plate, or in the door jamb, a polished stainless sill. Nice car. I wouldn't be afraid to just hop in it and go use this car. You just get that feeling about certain cars. And this one just seems to be functional and dialed in and proper. Anyway, that's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman with your questions. They'll help you get this delivered to your driveway. They'll help you finance it. Go to volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed these videos, but make sure you subscribe and click on that bell icon. That way you're notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.